look at this! Now look at those! CSX Crunchfield! Oh my gosh! With a CSX locomotive behind it. What do you think of this, Anthony Verhaden? We're actually getting activity down here today.
It's moving very slow.
Here he comes! Hi! They're coming, aren't they?
Yep.
What do you think of this? What do you think?
It's cool.
I see a guy on there.
It's very cool. Hey, maybe if you do this, it'll on.
Hold on. This may be Norfolk Southern property someday if NS chooses to buy the Irwin Yard out. That's only a rumor for the moment being, though. Here they come. Got a caboose. They're slowing down for a minute, getting off there. Let's see if they'll move.
It's really cold.
Oh, he's just flipping that switch over. So they should start moving here any minute.
Is that another one?
That's that one down there we just saw. They should start moving any minute. Just with the fact that they flipped that switch. Yep. There they go. Moving that way. See them?
Goodbye.
You holding it still?
Trying, and the wind's blowing though.
Got some activity somewhat.
Do you want to keep filming?
Keep going. They're stopping. That'll be it.